हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम इस वीडियो में चैप्टर 14 रीजनल पावर का क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ए, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग विजिटर्स हैज़ रिटन इन पार्सीज ऑफ विजयनगर एम्पायर? नाउ आंसर इज बी। राइट आंसर इज B. Page. Question number 2. Who constructed Kriti Stambha at Chittor? Answer is D. Rana Kumbha. Rana Kumbha is the right answer. Question number 3. The city of Vijayanagar was located on the bank of river. Answer is C. Tungabhadra. C is the right answer. Now, question number 4. Identify the Brahmin king who was a good choreographist and an atmophilist, linguist. Answer is B. B is the right answer. Bahman Shah. Okay. Now, question number 5. Sayana was a, answer is D, great Sanskrit scholar. Okay, D is the right answer, great Sanskrit scholar. Now, part B, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Bukka succeeded dash. Answer is Harihar. Okay, Harihar is the right answer. Now, question number 2. Vijayanagar rulers were involved in the battle with dash kingdom. Answer is Bahmani. Bahmani is the right answer. Okay. Now, question number 3. Firoz Shah Bahmani ruled from dash to dash. Answer is 1397 CE to 1422 CE. Okay. Now, question number 4. Rana Sanga was on the most famous ruler of dash. Answer is Mewar. Mewar is the right answer. Question number 5. Jainul Abidin adopted a policy of dash towards Hinduism. Answer is religious tolerance. Okay. Now, question part C. Okay. State true or false for the following statement. Okay. Question number 1. The Bahmani and Vijayanagar kingdom maintained friendly relation with each other. Answer is false. Okay. Question 1 का false होगा. Then question number 1. 2. The name Assam is ड्रिफ्ट फ्रॉम अहम टू, ओके, क्योंकि अहम से ही ये असम का जो नाम डाइवर्ट जो हुआ है वो अहम से अहोम से असम में डाइवर्ट हुआ है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द बाहमनी किंगडम वाज फाउंडेड बाय महमूद गवन. तो इसका फॉल्स होगा. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो है वो फॉल्स. नंबर 4. Rao Bika founded the city of Bikaner. Answer is true. Okay. Question number 4 का true होगा. Then question number 5. Jainul Abidin imposed jizya on Hindus. आंसर इज फॉल्स. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फॉल्स, नंबर 2 ट्रू, नंबर 3 फॉल्स, नंबर 4 ट्रू, नंबर 5 फॉल्स. ओके, now part D, answer the following question in brief. Question number 1, name the main center of education during Vijayanagar Empire. Answer is the main center of education during Vijayanagar Empire were temple and mosques. Okay, क्योंकि विजयनगर जो एम्पायर था उस टर्म में जो शिक्षा का जो एजुकेशन का मेन सोर्सेज था टेम्पल और मठ था, ये दो मेन सेंटर था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मेंशन द क्लासेस इनटू विच द सोसाइटी वाज डिवाइडेड इन विजयनगर एम्पायर. आंसर इज द सोसाइटी ऑफ विजयनगर एम्पायर वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 क्लासेस, द नोबल and high official, the traders and the middle class and the commoners. It means 3 क्लासेस में डिवाइडेड था. पहला जो था नोबल आते थे जो हायर ऑफिशियल पोजीशन में थे. नेक्स्ट आते हैं ट्रेडर्स ऑफ, देन उसके बाद आते हैं मिडिल क्लास और जिसमें कॉमनर्स में सारे लोग आ जाते हैं. तो ये 3 पार्ट में डिवाइडेड था सोसाइटी पूरा. Now question number 3, what was Firoz Shah famous for? Answer is Firoz Shah was a good calligraphist and composed verses in Arabic, Persian, Marathi, Telugu and Kannada. He was a very learned man. Question number 4, who built the Kriti Stambh at Chittor? Answer is Rana Kumbha was built the great Kriti Stambh at Chittor. Now question number 5, why did Rana Kumbha become popular? Answer is Rana Kumbha was a very brave general and outstanding ruler of Mewar. He built 32 forts for the defense of Mewar. He constructed magnificent Kriti Stambh to celebrate his victory over Malwa. He was a linguist, author, architect and veena player of reputes. Now part E, answer the following questions. Question number 1, describe the development of art and architecture under the Vijayanagar rulers. Answer is the development of art and architecture under the Vijayanagar ruler are given below. Number 1, Vijayanagar had many beautiful places and temples. Vitthal Swami and Virupkach are the most famous temple. Number 2, the city was surrounded by 7 walls. Number 3, life-size statue of king and queen are the finest example of the art and sculpture. Number 4, Sanskrit, Telugu, Tamil and Kannada language and their literature is the valuable contribution of this period. तो ये सारे जो पॉइंट्स थे ये मेन उस टाइम का डेवलपमेंट का जो था मेन डिस्क्राइब है किया गया है, जिसमें कि आपको देख सकते हैं सबसे पहले तो 32 जो बना था वो सब सारा कुछ था. देन बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस, महल थे, टेम्पल्स थे, जिसका आज भी उदाहरण देखने को मिलता है. जो विट्ठल स्वामी और विरूपकच्छ जो मोस्ट फेमस टेम्पल है वो आज भी देखने को मिलता है. और सिटीज़ जो है वो चारों तरफ से 7 वॉल से घिरे हुए थे और वहाँ पर जो मेन जो फाइनेस्ट एग्जाम्पल मिलता है आर्किटेक्चर और आर्ट का, वो है किंग और क्वीन का जो लाइफ साइज स्टैचू, मतलब उनके रियल साइज के हिसाब से स्टैचू बनाकर जो रखा हुआ है, ये उस टाइम का फेमस एग्जाम्पल है। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लिस्ट द अचीवमेंट ऑफ महमूद गबन एज प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ Bahmani's kingdom. Answer is, the achievement of Mahmud Ghavan are: number 1, he divided the kingdom into 8 tarafs and put each of them under tarafdar. Number 2, the salaries and picks were fixed for each noble. Salaries were paid in cash और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जागीर। जो उस टाइम में था, सैलरी फिक्स कैश पेमेंट किया जाता था, और जो था सैलरी में या फिर उस जागीर के रूप में पे किया जाता था। तो ये सारा था। नंबर 3, गवर्न built a great madrasa or colleges in Bihar. The building was beautifully decorated with tiles. It could accommodate 1,000 students and teachers. Okay. Now question number 3. What were the main achievement of Rana Kumbha of Mewar? Answer is, Rana Kumbha was a very brave general and an outstanding ruler of Mewar. His achievement were: number 1, he had built 32 forts for the defense of Mewar. He constructed the magnificent Kritistam to celebrate his victory over Malwa. Number 3, he was a linguist, author, architect and a veena player of reputes. Number 4, he was a very learned ruler. Question number 4. Describe the various achievements of Zainul Abidin, the ruler of Kashmir. Answer is, Zainul Abidin was a famous ruler of Kashmir. His achievements were: number 1, he was a liberal and far-sighted ruler. He adopted a policy of religious tolerance towards the Hindus. Number 3, he banned cows slaughter, apologized jizya on the Hindus and gave higher position job of them. He issued copper and silver coin. Question number 5. List the achievement reforms that brought glory to the Vijayanagar Empire. Answer is, the administrative system of Vijayanagar rulers can be described in the following terms. Number 1, the king was the head of the state. He ruled with the help of the council, which included eminent nobles appointed by him. The council could advise the king, but the king was not bound to act upon it. Number 3, the king was the chief of administration, army and judiciary. Number 4, the revenue system was well organized. Land revenue was the main sources of state income, along with custom duty, grazing tax, marriage tax, etc. Now our question answer is completed in this chapter. Hope so this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.